But a man that's ever born of the Spirit of God, his course is set towards the North Star. Hallelujah. All hell never shakes. I don't say he won't make mistakes. I don't say he won't slip and fall. That's right. But as soon as he gets his feet again, his eyes are set on the star yonder, and he moves on. Sure.
I got lots of respect for a man. When he does make a mistake, he's got courage enough to rise and try again. We're all going to make mistakes. The best makes mistakes. But a soldier is not one who will lay down when he's knocked down, but will raise up again. We used to sing a little song, "Let me rise and try again." And I like that. For I have made many mistakes in my life, as we all have. But I've always been thankful to God for grace to let me rise and try again. Well, if a nation or an army should consult the Lord in a time of trouble, what about when a cancer's got you in a corner? When TB's got you in a corner? When affliction's got you in a corner? Don't give up. Let's consult the Lord about it and see what He'd have to say. See? Maybe you say, well, I'm a drunkard, I'm a harlot, I've cursed all my life. Don't give up. Let's consult the Lord about it tonight and see what He'd say about it. Say, well, Brother Branham, I've tried for 6 years to be born again of the Spirit of God, to receive the Holy Spirit. He's never yet come to me. Well, let's try again tonight and see what the Lord will say. For He's always willing if we'll just get everything out of the way.
But He's the God of the stars, the sun and the seas, and He is your Father. He can call